Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alyssa, and today I have got an amazing spring breakfast recipe for you. These are my lemon poppy seed pancakes. They are gluten-free, they are vegan, they are healthy, and they're also just in time for Mother's Day. So the full recipe is linked for you in the description box below. But before we dive in, I just want to give you guys a quick update on the channel because there's something really exciting happening that I want to share with you. So I'm actually working with YouTube on a new pilot program, and it's called their sponsorships. So you might notice that there is a button right below this video next to the subscribe button that says sponsor. And what I want to share with you guys is what that means and what you can get if you do choose to sponsor this channel. So if you're a big fan of Simply Quinoa, if you like the content that we share, then basically when you sponsor the channel, you're gonna get even more of that, and you're gonna get exclusive content that no one else will see. So you're gonna get a monthly video that is just for my sponsors. You're also gonna get weekly what I eat in a day updates. So we're gonna be using the special community tab, and we're gonna be sharing what I eat in a days on a weekly basis. And you're also going to be a member of our sponsorship tribe, which basically means you are going to be getting to give your real-time feedback and suggestions, and you can really help drive the content of this channel. Obviously, I listen to everybody that watches the videos, but if you do choose to sponsor the channel, you are going to be able to provide actual feedback. I'm going to be sharing polls only for my sponsors, asking questions on a weekly basis, and really just getting your feedback and your ideas for the types of content that you want to see. So if you're interested, you can just tap that button. A little pop-up will come up. It will show exactly what you get. And I would love to have you as part of the tribe. It's a really exciting thing that YouTube is launching. And if you are a big fan of this channel, it's just a really great way to not only support me, but also get more of the content that you're enjoying and get it exclusively. So it's always fun to have something a little bit special that no one else can get. And otherwise, I think we should just go ahead and dive right into this pancake recipe because it's so yummy and I know you guys are going to love it. So let's go ahead and get started. So we'll start with our dry ingredients, which is quinoa flour, almond flour, arrowroot powder, some coconut flour, baking powder, cinnamon, and sea salt. And you can just whisk that all together until it's combined. Move the bowl aside and move on to your wet ingredients. Our wet ingredients are going to start with 2 flax eggs, which is flaxseed meal and water mixed together. You can just whisk that all together and then let it sit for a couple minutes until it starts to gel together. From there, you're going to add in some mashed banana, some non-dairy yogurt, some sweet almond oil or any other type of light flavored oil, a splash of vanilla extract, and some almond milk. And again, just whisk this all together until it's totally smooth. Then you can just pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir it all together. You are looking for a consistency of traditional pancake batter. It's going to be kind of on the thicker side, kind of like a muffin batter, but still easily pourable. And then to finish it off, we are adding in some lemon zest for added flavor, as well as some poppy seeds, and you could also add in some lemon extract if you wanted. Stir that all together until those are evenly incorporated, and we will move on to cooking them. You're going to cook these over medium heat. Just spray a pan quickly with some cooking spray, and then I like to ladle about a 1/4 cup of batter onto the pan. And you're just going to cook them until bubbles start to form. So that's going to maybe take 2 minutes or so. Flip it over. It'll be nice and golden brown. Cook it for another minute or so. They'll fluff up as they cook. And then you can transfer them onto a plate. For serving, I love doing a blend of yogurt and berries with these. I just find that it really rounds out the flavor and it gives a nice pop of sweetness. So I did a dollop of coconut yogurt as well as some fresh blackberries. And of course, you guys know me, I can't have pancakes or waffles without pure maple syrup, so do a nice, generous drizzle of pure maple syrup and you are good to go. You can just slice into these. You can see they are nice and fluffy, they are golden brown, and they are so good. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's pancake recipe. I promise you are going to love these. They are so good and they are super simple to make. And it's just a really fun spring dish, really bright, flavorful, and obviously also perfect for Mother's Day, which is on Sunday. So if you do end up making it, make sure to share a photo with me on Instagram. You can tag @simplyquinoa, or you can use the hashtag simplyquinoa. As always, the full recipe is linked for you in the description box below. It's up on my blog, so you can get the instructions, the ingredient list, and everything like that by clicking that link. And I'd also just like to remind you one more time, if you're interested in joining our sponsorship tribe, there is a button right below this video that says sponsor. You can click that button. A little pop-up will pop up that will show you exactly what you get when you choose to sponsor Simply Quinoa. And again, it's not only a really great way for you to show your support for the channel, but it's also a really great way for you to get even more content. So if you are somebody that just loves getting these types of videos, then definitely make sure to check out that sponsorship. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an awesome rest of your Friday. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys!